Ferrari relishes a challenge. The more impossible, the better. We just can't resist pushing innovation to radical new limits. Maranello's engineers rose yet again to the latest challenge, the development of the new California T's V8, which combines Ferrari engine DNA and the benefits of the latest turbo technology. Instantaneous throttle response, superb power, along with very high revs, progressive acceleration, uncompromising integration in the chassis for sharper handling, and of course, an exhilarating soundtrack. These are the characteristic traits of all Ferrari engines. The California T maximizes the potential of the turbo, taking performance to new heights and at the same time delivering more efficient fuel consumption. A technology already successfully employed in previous hypercars, the 1984 GTO and 1987 F40, Ferrari has now set a whole new industry benchmark for turbocharging. Thanks to the latest Formula One know-how, design and simulation software, and casting processes, the California T's new V8 is Ferrari's most sophisticated to date. The engine is built on new assembly lines. Here, technological excellence and superlative craftsmanship combine to produce this unique 560 horsepower engine. The Ferrari California T. Performance, versatility and exclusivity together form a powerful equation.